All-in-one digital to analog converter cable. This all-in-one optical to 2 RCA plus 3.5mm auxiliary digital to analog audio converter cable is a combination of digital to analog converter with optical and cable. You don't need to buy optical and cable separately. It converts optical SPDIF TOSLINK interface optical digital audio signals to 2 RCA, L/R, and 3.5mm AUX output analog audio signals. Note, the optical end is the signal input, not reversible. Applicable devices suitable for connection between most smart TVs/PS4/Xbox One/DVD/network set-top boxes and audio signal amplifiers/sound boxes/headphones on the market. Easy to connect. You just need to connect one end of the audio cable to the optical/SPDIF/TOSLINK audio output port of the above applicable devices, and the other end to the RCA, L/R, 3.5mm auxiliary audio input port of sound box, amplifiers, headphones,